Are you getting married, or do you know anyone getting married and need a professional wedding photographer or a videographer? Feel free to contact us right now. If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Janet Campbell is the realtor you should call.
We've realized that a lot of you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, over 70%. So what I want you guys to do is like, share, and subscribe, please. And watch the video to the end, because there are a lot of things at the end that I would want you guys to watch and enjoy, even when the credits are finished.
Gigi! Sis!
Yes?
Come here. Gigi, you don't know some send Roger shop. Send him out on the road for go buy something. Me see him come home back a ball. Say Javi beat him up. Me don't know what they have. So me come to you to make Javi come talk to me and tell me what them have. Because I don't know why them a fight.
Raj, stop it crying. What happened? Alright, hold on. Javi! Javi, come here. Put on the slippers. We are go outside because out in our house hot.
Alright.
Come, you go back under the tree this. Come on, Javi. So what really happened, Javi?
I don't know what Bobby called me out here, sir.
So how you mean you don't know what happened? Can they send Raj a shop? So let me refresh your memory if something wrong with your head. Can they send Raj to the shop? And Raj say you beat him up. How that happened? Is it true?
Bobby, I joke around with him. I never beat him up. I'm not tell mommy.
Look here. You and Raj related?
Yes, Bobby.
I want to explain to me and tell me how comes you and Raj related?
Because you're my mother, because I think you're their sister.
Okay, that simply means said two first cousin. You ever see me and my sister fight yet?
No, Bobby.
So why is it you choose for fight, Raj?
Bobby, me never fight him. Me just see him come out of shop with one drinks or chips and I ask him for some and me there joke around with him and then me just taking drinks from him.
So you never realize him a cry?
Auntie, let me tell. Yeah, me see say I cry, but me ask him one thing and he don't want to answer me and he run guard up.
If you're having drinks, tell me now. You don't expect him to go holler. Him to go ball.
Bobby, what is a drinks? If you cry over just one juice, how much time he take my juice when he come my house? And me just say, oh.
Did you ask him for the drinks?
Of course, me ask.
And what did he say?
He said no.
So how comes you have it? You need to apologize to him, man. You know see me and my sister live so.
But Bobby, every time when me and my sister
apologize to him.
Sorry.
Anasego, don't do that. We don't want this in the family. War and fighting all the time. It's not nice. Me is your auntie. You see, whatever your mother just said to you, it is true. You need to listen, Javi. You and Raj are two first cousins. We don't want people on the road to not fight because if we don't have family and they fight, What no left stranger for do to no? You're supposed to take up for Raj, and Raj, you supposed to take up for Javi. You not supposed to a war. Me no like it. Me sure say no see me and my sister live them kind of way there. It is wrong. You see him within things, ask him for it. If you see Javi within things, you don't take it away. Ask him for it because he can build up to strive and that way I run from. And also we mother grow we. That I no granny. I no big enough and have sense. Me sure so no see it what we were. Me love my sister. I no see it what we are so. So no stop it from right here. So don't make it go no further. You hear me?
Come here. Come
You
here.
understand?
You say whenever time you have anything and Javi asks you for it, you must learn for share. Javi, you say whenever time you have anything and Raj asks you for it, you must learn to share. You see, if you not grow like a puss and dog, right? Look here, puss and dog, I live good now, you know? Puss and dog now fight and live bad again like first time. You see if I not broke you out what I told you from now, when you becomes adult and a grown man, if you want to tell me say if Raj has any problem, Raj can call you and tell you say, Javi, me need something, and you go tell him no. It goes for you too, Raj. You know, see me and your mother live so. We share with everything what we have. You understand?
Remember say, me not depend on identity now, but just I want to talk about it. The two of you, sorry this is, two of you hold on one another hand.
Hold on.
Hold on hand and shake it.
And set your face better than that.
And
yes.
listen to me.
Go
'Cause
ahead.
sis, you know, say sometimes pitney lie. I'll do him a for me. Just tell him sorry and you say sorry and you just hug and you know just apologize and done it right so. Raj?
Sorry.
Talk loud, cause it come like I say, you see when you and your friend them on the background, it look like you're a loudspeaker. Tell your cousin sorry for what happened.
Sorry, Javi.
Next time you share with him. Tell your cousin sorry.
Sorry, Raj.
Come, just give him a little hug and then you.
Tell him one bigger sorry because you're wrong with him. One bigger sorry.
Sorry.
Come. Hug. Alright. Let's feel right there, so. Alright. Guess what? Raina come down. Little more. Alright, sis. Later, yeah? Alright, my nephew. Little more. Taxi man, I wait for me. Later.
Come on, man. I mean, I like that style. I don't know good style you have. They make me feel bad. Lord have mercy, where you go with pan?
Wait, the whole you know, cause right now it's too heavy. I'm tired of being dirty clothes in there.
No beer man closing it.
I'm tired this one hot. Be man clothes. You know, so the machine broke down for a long time. And Junior said I go buy one machine from way war. I know me can't get it. Me tired. So till I feel dirty clothes them in there.
Don't worry yourself. I know some will do anything for you. Because you see, if I did me, the other day when time my machine never there work, I come around there, you hear him go on.
Dirty man.
It's alright, don't worry yourself. I just true. You're my sister, you know me, we do anything at all in this world for you. You see money when I did borrow from you? Me remember it, you know. Remember it.
Yeah, so what? I know say remember.
But
Me
me,
and sister.
me did forget it back a long time, you know, but me now.
No bother with it. You see that money there? You need to take it and forget about it. Not even have it in your brain, not even for 1 second say me did lend the money. Because anything me ask you for, anything me ask you for do for me, you do it. And anything me want, me can get it from you. Me and your sister, and I right there so the love they stay until we dead.
You know, so I love you.
Me love you more than you love
Me
me,
love you
sister.
so till I
God, no.
change
Come give
even
me the
know.
little water, because
Me
me
say-
thirsty. Piece all dirty broke down machine, me can't bother man.
I
I
make-
know soap me around there for a year, him cuss me for washing dirty
Me have
clothes.
soap, me
them.
have soap. Don't worry yourself, me have soap.
Me I look for me clothes when me normally wear go work, and me can't find none of them for wear. When me clothes them there?
Why you can't ask about clothes for every time? Me look like washing machine to you? You don't know say machine broke down.
Yeah, me know say machine broke down, but I
That
expect say.
means say your dirty clothes them me carry them around and my sister fishy put them in our washing machine so me can go for them after, then dry and everything.
Candy. What make you just never did wash your clothes with your hand?
My hand. When last time I want lotion for my hand, hand lotion. And moisturizer
Listen, man,
for
me
soft
not
my
talk
hand.
about no lotion.
Every minute me wash your clothes them with my hand from the machine broke down from wo. And now you can't get the person to come look on it. Every day you gone to work, I tell me about it, I do double. I don't see you with that double nor a triple, no money, nothing at all.
Listen, all me I say, you never have to carry my clothes them got your sister yard to wash them. You don't know so me not like your sister. I mean, I want you carry my clothes go down there and look out for this. You see me take sick or sitting in go behind me.
And that it just may come out of your throat. But my sister, don't do it again. Junior, not do it again. Now, where you want to say, my sister, how they work?
Me no,
What you do to my sister make you feel so my sister would really do that? Look here.
all me I say, me do not want my clothes them to go on they go wash.
A problem me look.
When me get money and can buy a machine, me will buy a machine. Me don't want my clothes anymore.
That a when?
Me will find something weird. But here me go double up. Me now come in until tomorrow evening.
Junior, you know, so sometimes you have to take your dirty clothes and wash them by yourself. Me wash them so till it look like a whitlow you want me to have.
Me hear about that already. Me don't want to hear about
So
that.
what?
Listen, me I say, man. Me I will double up and me now come in until tomorrow evening.
From ever since you dey double up. All of a sudden you don't stop double up. Not stop double. Alright, security. Because I'm more security work you do make you a contract about double up.
Later, if people ain't come in and work and I want extra money, what me I go do? I work.
I know me not understand you. From ever since you dey chat about double up, and me not say no money and me, you not a pay money. Every minute you want money from me if you borrow.
Look at me.
And you dey double up.
Look at me. Me I go double up and just make sure so you collect me clothes them from now your sister yard.
My sister no want your clothes them. She a no man, she no wear man clothes.
But me don't know if you will take them and give
She
your
no
man
want them. She no want them. And my sister man have clothes and they have washing machine and they have for her man make sure say she get a good washing machine. You they double up. I do hard work and you can't fix this and you can't buy one. Go on where you go, Junior.
Just line up my clothes them. Line up my clothes them.
Hey, what go on, sis? Me there, man. Me not some little problem. Me need some money for borrow. No, sir. You come like so when time somebody call about money nowadays, especially me, you feel like I sick, me sick. Girl, nothing wrong with me, man. I just something pop up and me need like one little change to borrow. And I don't want money I want. $15,000 I want. You have that? No, so by weekend me give it back to you. Weekend. And when the weekend again? Saturday. Yeah, Saturday me give it back to you. Yeah, me there home. Alright. In case I'm coming out, me there outside, me sitting down outside. So in case I'm come here. Alright. Nobody make fear man know nothing, cause I don't know what is wrong with him, cause I don't know. For some reason I feel like him not like me. And I'm miserable, I shoot me attack, cause I know I stay already. Yes, I shoot me attack. Nobody make him know nothing, cause everything you tell him. Alright, girl, alright. The case and come. Alright, yes, alright, okay.
You look so. You're stressed out about.
Well, I'm glad me have you,
Yeah, man.
I'm glad me have you, I'm not lie.
Anyway, I not ever hesitate. Because I don't want you say you're sick, you're hungry, nothing at all. I carry money come, 15,000. You not ever have to give me back.
I love you, you know?
I love you too. You're my best sister in the whole world.
I love
You know,
you.
if you make it neighbor them sick, then just fast round your so. Put in your pocket. So what go on?
But yeah. So for your man see it, you
You
know?
know, say, me not think so, you see.
How make you not like me?
I don't know, you know, as a son dirty man stay. Right, you know, me I wonder if me feel left him because me and you are sister. And every minute, you have to mention your name to me. Why you always talk about you? You don't want me to give you nothing. He like say, me pick me. Me I give him breast in the palm breast. Me I give him milk. Every minute, you give your sister this, you give your sister that. But if me ask you for anything, you can't give me.
The boy bad mind. But me not tell you to left him. Because for your man. Me not tell you to left him, you know?
For me, man, let me tell you something. Although me and him there, me not trust him neither. That's why me not even want to give him money. Into
Look here.
disgusting, man.
But the last time I check, a man give man money, you know?
And every minute he want me to give him money like him and me pick me and me have to give him to go to school for paying for buy lunch and breaks. Else if me not give him police will lock me up. Me not give him no money. Because if me give him money and he don't give me back, me and him have big war around there. You go have to come around there with police because
No,
me
girl,
no
no.
joking.
No, girl, me no want.
Too disgusting. He just dung in on me so.
Sister.
Every minute he want money
Sister,
from me like me and mama.
sister. Sit and drop on you. Me no want you. Don't, you see, sometimes when him attack, don't answer him. Answer him.
Sometimes me ignore it. God forgive me and pardon me. I'm a man and me sorry say me have fit style him so man. But me not like him in too friggin' lazy. Why every minute me have to give him money so look here sis. I know like me never give money yet still you know. Me give money enough time I true me not tell you.
So when do it fee money when work?
Me don't know him maybe I love girl road and they come home and contract but babes and say me love you. You know them kind of dirty man they come trick me and take me money every minute. And me and your sister in time me give you affect him. And me not give him one time.
Come like say me sit down too long.
If me not give him one time, me and him in a big quarreling around there. Whole neighborhood here and if they come over they come ask you why problem. Me can't bother with him.
And him have to borrow your money. Where am I doing the fee money?
And that mother like for know.
And you have to pay all the bills in our house.
Me say to him too much time and me can't get no answer now. Me don't know why problem. Me I must see bank. Me a fee him bank.
Or my bank him money. I feel him name in a bank account.
Me can't see that the bank book they don't all. Me want to see me do one card. Me don't know much in there.
So look here. So how comes you put his name in your bank account, but you don't know if your name in his bank account?
True, me say me love him. Me
Yeah,
just
idiot.
say in case anything happen to me, me just put his name in mine. He can just draw money.
Yeah,
Me go a
idiot.
doctor and so. It looks so.
Me not tell you how to live your life still, you know. Me not tell you how to live your life. You understand? But me only ask you if you're an idiot.
You look like me an idiot for you. Because no care what you do, me take up my things them and give him see me all my money.
You gotta put some sense in your head. You hear me? Yes, when you go home, me no want you have no problem, you know. You want to see the bank account. Show me your one, so look here. So my one here, see there, is my name and your name in it. So what about your one? Good enough if money, mama name in the bank book. Stay there. Now wise up and have sense here. Because look here, me can't fight as much for you, but on everything me can't fight for you. You have to stand up and fight your own fight, my sister. You understand? Because something about him, I don't know why he not like me. I know why he not like me, you know. And because I can't see right through him. My mother always tell me, say, that I feel two with mother. Because if sometimes you act like me and you not the same mother. Because you come off of one different material from me.
I same mother but different father, but me love you. Me not go make sake of him make me in a no argument. God know, come like I said, me dey blind when me
Girl,
see him. Me not tell
you forget your mother always tell me, say, she say you must look through one needle and see what pin make out her. I come like say something wrong with you.
Achoo.
You're nasty.
She always tell me that.
Look here. You're not seeing. Me never say you're nasty, you know. Because me know say sometimes when you ground there and you talk to him, he twist me words them. That said man the way you have.
You always do it.
Him wicked, me not like him.
Anyway, sis. Me have to go run now because your thunder the roll and sitting like rain I go fall. Me have some clothes on line and I want to go take them up.
I'm there to pick 2 jelly again, but
When
go
me
on.
come back, man, you know any little thing me there your foot if you want money for borrow food, anything at all, just call me.
Me there
We
pick,
carry
me
come
there
carry you
pick
come pick
2
up you.
jelly again. Me I slung back look a bit and think more I share the cause. Me there pick 2 jelly again, but go on. Come on, bother give you, cause the first if me give you, I me gonna make drink.
All right, sis. Later. When we reach one, me call you. Big
All right,
up,
me love you here.
Yeah, man. Love you too.
All right, weekend.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
All right, my honey.
You know, some they are pre-say if you could have lend me $5,000.
Why you never asked me for the day before?
Because I know me just wanted that's why I ask you.
But me not have no money right now because my sister did call me and ask me for more money. And say she have some important business to start out. Me don't know if I must have some bills with a light bill, water it or what, but you know, say my sister me have to lend her. So me not have no more money leave. Me give it to her.
You see how funny it is. Anytime your sister call you, I could have me last money, you run gang give her. But as soon as me ask you for your money for borrow, you can't tell me this and tell me that. Eh? You see how you go? Eh? You always are going like say you want to put your sister in front of me. And I'm here, your man.
Junior, you know something don't like how you stay? Me not like how you stay. Every time you always have some confrontation with me about you don't like how me stay. Me don't like how you stay. I'm my sister and she in a certain difficulties. She says she have some bills to pay. The one little money me have, me take it and give her. Me tell her say me not have none. If me did have mother girl, come and try me lend her money.
Yeah, but when you want to like you know you're content about your sister, me don't want you not about your sister, you don't know so me not too like your sister either. And you're content about your sister.
What if you hear yourself? We're just saying no adult because that is my blood sister. You is just my man. Not because, but still for her. I'm my sister and if she run out of stuff and me have it, me go give her. You know if me did have him, would I give it to you. Me not like how you stay, no. God knows I me not like how you stay. You always do this. Look how much time me give you money. And not every time me go give you money, me look like a bank.
Me sure say, you this way you said to me, you wouldn't say it to your sister, you know.
I'm a sister that. You have to understand that.
So what that have to do with me say your sister?
Look here, let me tell you something, Junior. You is just my man. She is my blood sister. You understand? If me no give you money one little time, that should even cause no kind of problem at all between me and you. So me no know where you can cause contention to become me say me no have a lend sister. You is just my man. I'm a sister forever. Me not fit there forever. You can't let me and go to 20 or 30 different women. I go still my sister. Me no have no money every time I come knock down me for money my youth.
Me not quarrel and me not say nothing. Everything good. Everything good.
Me come tell me about you know like my sister. I mean I understand you. What my sister do to you? Why you not like her? Why you don't like my sister? Every time you come knock me about you not like my sister, you not like my sister. It look like a some jealousy thing a go on between you and my sister and what me give she for and what me not give you. Like you dey look funny one kind of way and they say, you can't give me this and look here man, that is my sister.
Everything good. As I said.
Biological sister. Same woman. No, you can't do that. Me not like what you just said, Jonah. Me not like it.
And I don't say me not quarrel, you know. But just I make you know still. But everything good. Everything good. Me figure out something for myself. Everything good.
Every minute you run out of money. Every minute you run out of money.
But
and you should have give me money every
Yeah,
time and they
money.
come knock down me for money every minute.
you're going like say, I don't say money at Jamaican no value money.
Me know say money out and no value nothing. Well, the work where they do, you not pay anything, go look at different work. Don't come stress me out.
Everything good, man. Alright. Alright.
Junior,
Huh?
been I think about it and forget to tell you say me actually go start work. Me get one local work and me go start.
So like you get a little work, you know, what we are gonna do with the baby?
Well, we'll have to come up with a plan. Because me have to start work, me need some money. And Lila getting bigger, so we need to start do some savings.
Alright.
Here me could handle. Me know say you don't really know much of my family and thing. A matter of fact, you don't know none of them. I me not feel comfortable for them to know it either because me no want to mash up my relationship. But me have this one sister where you know really stay like the rest of them still, my good smarty. I could have probably ask her to keep a baby for me.
Well, so that the sister there, where she live.
She live around some man. She live around so. So no worry yourself, man. She a good smarty. Me ask her, she not go tell me no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. No,
As long as you say a good somebody, and I know so me pick now get no ill treatment or you know them
yeah, man.
stuff
So
there.
what make bro do? But also make she keep it baby most of the time like how you go work. And you know say me work too, so therefore me make she keep it baby most of the time. And sometimes me can carry baby go up for my house too. You know what I say? Can from me yard to your yard. And now and then when I get little time and day after we just carry baby come. Alright?
So your sister work?
Not really, she not work. She not work. She have a little money a come in, but she not work. She not do a 9 to 5.
So she couldn't come stay with the baby because me not really want and my girl fit me no want thing.
No man, a woman and me I go there no man and she not and a woman will love people place like that. She love her little one space and her yard. So she not really want to come stay.
Well, if you say so, if you say a good somebody, but would I really love fish at least come stay here with her?
She not go like that. I'm matter of fact when I time me make a meet her. But for now, she go happy to see we little girl because she never really meet her yet and her niece, so she be happy.
So why one night time why me can't just meet her now?
You wouldn't understand. When the time right, man. No worry yourself about that. No worry yourself. When the time right.
Ever hide for your family business, you know?
Babes, I don't really hide my family business. Me don't tell her if my family them most of them are not some good people.
But
Right?
no family no good, so why a big deal? Look how long we did together.
Babe, make we focus on you getting the work and my sister staying with the baby. Me don't really want to talk about my family right now. Alright? Alright?
I hear you.
Alright. That good. So maybe just carry baby go and make she meet him.
Just make sure so they no come broke me pitney bad, cause me don't have a particular way how I want grow my child. So just make sure so they maintain that.
Babe,
Where you get people picking from?
you know, say I want my friend baby and to tell you honest truth, he pick me a suffer. So media pre say boy like what one picnic we have we couldn't adapt her. What do you think?
This a picnic look like in a sofa to you.
Boy,
Look on this a clean, nice picnic in a nice, good hairstyle. Come over here, so little girl, and may I drop off at the bed. Sit down there, so.
babes, you wouldn't understand. You just want sweating, you want sweating living condition. And a nice go picnic like this enough you suffer so. You know no matter choice
So what make you take up you put on your head, so? How what happen? Little girl, sit down.
sit down, baby, sit down. No man, listen, I not take me I take up upon your head. Me just when I think, you know, I say boy, I want you to have and your plan get done. Tell me say you don't want hand my picnic already. Somebody
When me and you hold them the kind of argument, they don't tell them like Pam, you always a do that. I want son you give me. Me tell us me can't breathe again. Don't play with me. So, wait, hold on,
yeah, but listen, babe. Listen what I tell us.
Me no understand. No understand.
Babes, listen what I say.
Where you get the picnic from? Care about the people them picnic. But you think me an idiot?
Listen what I say, babes.
So
It's
a chick
not-
you come for trick me people?
No, listen what I tell us, man. It's not even say you tell me say you don't want more picnic. Me now expect say you at your age now.
And this
You gonna get one more picnic.
Little girl, stop it nice and then your big people attack.
A baby.
Where you get her from?
A baby.
Mr. say a baby, but where you get people picnic from, you better care about go which part. Nobody
Babes,
will
let me
make
explain to you until I want man.
Explain. You still a explain?
Yeah, me
Alright,
explain
go on,
to you.
Charlie, listen.
Listen, man, at your age, me not expect say you go want more picnic. And me want at least one little picnic for you around the house, you can't take care of it. So
So you just see anybody pick me a road and say them a suffer and you just carry them one come give me so. So me an idiot to take you and look after it.
no, it's not to say
It's not anybody.
Mama, you can't chat about age. If me even 90, and me want breed, me can't breed. You're older than you like to see me take up one picnic from out the road, carry me a phone, tell us if you take care right. And on years.
Yeah, but if somebody pick me and suffer, nothing wrong with that, will be good.
Oh,
people.
you see the suffer part? This a pick me and then nowhere near suffer. So me no know where they come with, where they come off of, or where you take me for, but me no believe this a kind of story. I better you carry back. Carry back eh.
Babes, just hear me out. Hear me out.
See then you let mash up my figure read them.
A baby man, I so then stay. And you know what to. But listen, me I tell you, say. You don't like we have Raj and Raj there and we can't take care of it and somebody not jump in and give you a helping hand.
Something fishy, but me not sure right.
No fishy man.
Anyway.
But here what? Me okay back baby and you can think about it a little bit more. You understand? More you think about it, man. Not jump to conclusion and start say me this and me that and re. Me never give you no reason yet to feel say me I do nothing. And a people pick me, you know, see that
Junior.
they pick me to look like me.
You hear yourself? You Junior where they borrow money from me all the while. Take people pick me where you say they suffer. Carry come give me. For me and you take care of it.
And all the
You
while,
must stop borrow money from
listen,
Frank.
and
You
all the
must
while,
stop.
bro.
You get a
All the
job.
while, bro. Sometimes me have money.
Oh. Anyway.
But
Me think about it, you know, cause I want little baby. Anyway, you know what? Go on. Go on. Me see about it. Me no
come
know.
little girl, come.
Me think about it.
Come, me go carry her back and then just think about it, alright?
Babe. Wake up. From morning you asleep until now. Me can't believe. Why you asleep so?
Tired, man.
You asleep. And me cannot sleep. All night you come like the little baby there on my mind where you tell me about. Say she has suffer.
Eh?
You me not stop think about it. It a bother my mind. I mean, me really don't want to see no little picnic suffer. Me don't want no children suffer and me can't help them and don't help them. So me think about it. Me think about it hard last night. Me think me go adapt her. You can carry her come.
Can carry her come?
Yes.
Alright, no problem. Me just hope me. What time I know?
It won't be a problem to the mother.
No, man, not gonna be no problem, man. I mean, me not gonna tell her say him mother glad to get rid of her, but because them have suffer so much and I kind of know for them live her yard too. She just want if he does somebody to take him. So me we just go down there and talk to her again.
So how much children she have?
Me not really too sure how much she have, but I'm more than one.
More
So-
than one. So you need to talk to her, your friend.
Yeah, man, me know her good.
You
good,
need to
man.
talk to her and tell her say next time when she go do them something that she need to protect herself because it don't make no sense as a woman you just a walk around and have children and you can't help to support or afford to take care of them and they give them away like a fowl of chicken.
That's true. So here me go do. Me go just run good on her yard and make she put together some little clothes for her and make her come. I'm really happy and thank you to think about it because as me did tell you before, we have a youth already and wouldn't want to know say anything happen to you or anything happen to me and he don't have nobody out in our world to help him. So me really appreciate it. I mean know say she go appreciate it too. Alright?
So that means we have to go adoption board then.
Well, babe, you know what Jamaica stay we may not have to go through nothing legal if you say adopt him, but we can just take him.
Just take him so.
Yeah. Babes, you know what Jamaica
So
stay
you're saying
Listen,
no
man,
problem
tell us
now going on.
No problem now go in a hip. You know what Jamaica turn already. You can just take one picnic from somebody and just raise him
Anyway.
as your one.
You can carry her come because a whole heap of food we throw away and other people picnic want it. I mean, no one God send me. So just bring her come. Me take care of her.
Alright.
Alright. Me did look about your breakfast.
Alright.
She can go brush your teeth and wash your face and have your breakfast.
Me talk back to my sister in regards to baby. Come baby.
Come.
Yeah, lift her up. Yeah. So me talk to her and she said she reconsider and she willing to stay with the baby. Me know she did kinda hesitant at 1st and never want to stay with her, but me tell her situation man and she willing to stay with her.
Oh. Well, that's really good. And I really appreciate the help with her, because she a grow and, things are get expensive. So I appreciate the help.
Yeah, man. So that means me can just carry her, go live her with her, and you can just focus on work and we
Yeah.
can make some money.
So
Alright.
true.
So me can carry her go now today. So no. So
Today?
yeah, today. So that means as soon as possible. Come,
I go miss her now.
baby. Where you want to go? You go for your bag.
Yes, go and see your bag.
Go on for your bag. Go on.
Cup your bag.
Alright. So yes, so me can just carry her bag with her things and she. Alright.
Well, I go miss me one girl. Come here,
Man,
Layla.
I just said, come on, I just feel know. Meanwhile, I go and work and thing, she can go and take care of her. Alright?
Get that box.
Alright. So come, Layla, come. Let's go.
Come, give me a hug before you leave.
Yeah, hug her, man.
Leave. I go miss mommy.
That's the love
I
her.
love you. And I hear you. I love you. Huh?
Love you.
I love you too.
Babes. Alright, see baby here, you know.
Hi. What's your name? Your name is Layla? Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful girl.
Alright, so babes. I'm going to go up on the road, so just keep her and then fall back here.
Alright, so.
Alright, yeah, man.
You want chips?
Yeah,
You
man,
want chips?
get her chips.
Alright, now get chips and then me go on the street, yeah? Good girl. Sis!
Hey. What, my sister?
There, man. You good?
I'm
Why?
good.
I'm tired. You know where me I walk from?
So you babysit. Where you get people pick me from?
I'm not really babysit me. Adapt her.
Adapt who?
Junior saying she want lady down the road with the little girl and how the little girl has suffer and everything. So me no want have food and money a waste while somebody child want it. You understand, son? Me rather take care of her.
Come here.
Wait, baby, wait.
Come
wait,
here.
Wait.
Lord have mercy.
She pretty, not true?
Yeah, she pretty.
How make her laugh so sis? How happen?
What you said,
How
June?
How you saying do?
No,
She
not
not-
smell, no, do. She not defecate.
How
Nothing wrong with her.
So what make her laugh so? Her
This a
clothes-
look up
her
in here.
clothes don't look dirty. Wait.
This a look up in here. Junior tell us I suffer.
I did I think about it too, but you know, man still in love convince woman and something, man. True, I'm a man, I just send me adapt the little girl, cause it did that nag me. That bother my brain. Me tell him no, and then me think over it and say, alright, you can bring her home.
You know, so me have a dick bad sitting and make a laugh though. And I really laugh, me I laugh.
understand why you
At something like that, me I grieve my spirit, you know. Me I tell you the truth.
How happen?
My spirit well grieve right now. You see, Junior, me tell you something, me not like him, you know. Him not like me, and I know me not like him. Cause all along, all the little problem where him claim to say him have with me not pay him no mind. You understand? Me make it slide. You understand? Me make everything what is about me. Me make it slide. Because me realize you love him. But my sister, me tell you something. No love no man more than how you love yourself. You see this little pitney here? Me know her mother.
You know her mother?
What you mean if me know her mother, not cherry daughter? Come here. Come here, baby. Here. Here. Come here, pretty baby. Come. Come here. Come here. Come here. I know this look up in here. Me and her mother go to school. Yes, look for me. Me and her mother go to school. This look up in here now suffer. Me know her mother
No
good,
man,
good,
he
good.
really a suffer for children. Cause if you
Girl,
know that the
look
girl-
here, sis, Candy. Your sister ever lied to you yet?
No. Not that I know of.
You said this little pitney here, she's not suffering. I know her mother very well. We went to school together. You see, for your man when named Junior, that's why I have to chat patwa, you know. You hear them, some people not like how me talk. Listen, you need to start to go and brawling with your mouth with your man. And make you know which part you stand up in your life. Look here, girl. Don't make nobody come fool you up and brainwash you. Look here, this little girl you not suffer. Me and this little girl, mother, we are friends. You know, yeah, my sister, nah hide no secret from me not keep no secret from you, because all along me I say, me don't want to mash up your life, and then look at something there, and my mother always say, always say, what you don't know won't hurt you. You understand? And look here, enough things me know Junior go and I never say nothing to you, but you say this is too much, me have to tell you, girl. Junior and Cherry, they.
What you just say, sis? Gigi, me hear you, but you come like me not hear what you say good. So you want to tell me, say, Junior really, they would want woman out the road, breed the woman, and carry the woman picnic come give me, and they ask me for other people because picnic a suffer? Junior,
Girl, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know if a Junior the picnic father, but I know some of the little girl godmother.
Here again.
Achoo! Me a the little girl godmother, I don't know if a Junior and father. Me I tell you the truth, I don't think I know Junior and father.
Junior, where I said Junior and Cherry there.
Junior and Cherry there.
The picnic mother. So,
Lord have mercy, God.
Which part the mother live?
Petersfield. You know of Miss Vivian, we have a restaurant?
Yes.
She live right beside Miss Vivian, right there, so.
Oh, I think me know that already. You know, some I go find down area door.
Hey, your man wicked, you know?
In past wicked, me no know if he classy.
Your man wicked, you know?
I done with him.
Candy.
Me done with him.
I don't tell her if you done with him or not. Tell her if you not done with him, but he wicked. And he out of and pass in place now.
You know
Get up.
Other day he come to me about money and something. And you know why I come tell me say, just because I tell him say me send him piece of dirty clothes them run and my sister yard to wash because his machine broke down and you have machine. He might not tell me say him not like you. He not trust you. Kind of why you feel hobby and close them.
That is why me tell you, he want to break up a relationship with me. Because all he might feel like something I can use to, you know. But look here.
That wouldn't concern him.
Look here. Tell him say me, Gigi, say a Cherry pick me. And him and Cherry there. Can't beat me. Me not afraid of boy. Boy too out, that boy gone too far now. Sis, the boy gone too far now, man.
I done with him.
He hurt me heart. As much as I love a little girl and me a little girl godmother, this opinion now suffer girl.
Done with him, Gigi.
My liar, the man wicked. He wicked, man for wicked, but not so.
He can go to cherry, mango, orange, or banana. Me no business. Me done with him.
Let him.
All right.
Back people, pitney them, go give them. Pitney now suffer.
All right. Thank you for telling me. Not another day in my house.
I love you, you know.
I love you too, sis. And thank you for telling me. I
love
can't believe you so dirty Jonas stay.
Dirty if you throw him wicked. Boy, wicked so till he look bad. But him not like me and me a hobby him. Come on him too.
Hello?
You must be Junior sister. Come on in.
Junior sister.
I miss you so much. Oh, God, you good? Miss me? Can I miss mommy?
Can I sit down?
Yes, please. So, finally get to meet you.
I don't understand this.
Understand what?
So are you named Cherry? Please.
Yes, man. I'm
So
Cherry.
you is the baby mother?
Yeah, you know, see, she favor me. Splitting resemblance. So why you so shocked?
Me have to shot because as me come inside,
Alright, go on.
you shout out if I'm me a junior sister. I am not junior sister. I'm me a junior woman, me a baby mother. Me and Junior live together.
What you really said to me? You, a A Junior woman. Look how long me and Junior there.
How long since you're in there?
Over 5 years now. And see with that, you're 3-year-old and you can't tell me that.
A 15 year they go to 16 year me and Junior there. I did not know that Junior have a woman
Really
outside.
a settled lady.
I never know say Junior keeping a woman outside with me. And then come trick me and tell me how Pitney they suffer. Say the little girl has suffer.
Look upon my daughter. My daughter like him a suffer too.
You know, so I could have tell from the first day when him come with the child in my yard.
So why you never say anything?
No, who me fi say to I do not know you ask and get information and know say a year so when they come and a year so the mother live. Remember say you don't know me, it's the first time you seen me and the first time me seeing you.
So what really a go happen now? Look how the situation get.
Listen what I'm saying. You see Junior, all I know that I take up a man that I say I love and think he was a trustworthy person, but he's a criminal, dishonest, dirty little wretch.
I just yesterday, Mr. Junior. You know?
Me can just imagine the amount of lie when tell you. Because if him can look on you when they keep with me and tell you say me and his sister and his sister are going to keep your child. So the two of we are too fool because you believe him. Say my care. Candy my name.
Candy your name?
Yes, my name is Candy.
But you know say the boy they want somebody.
You know what the two of we should have. Let me tell you something. Me no Cherry, me hear say your name Cherry. You understand? And me no come at your yard because I would never blame you. Enough time you see woman, the outer road that cause other woman, sake a man, them fi think first. The two woman fi turn around and give the man one piece of ass because he deserve it. Him is a liar, dirty wretch. Junior is the worst man ever me ever take up in my life. I see me and him there so long. And me believe him.
But Candy,
Junior ever they come to me, they borrow money from me.
Borrow money from you and Junior work so hard. So all them money when come in here and give me a few money my use.
And my money. And then when he work, he tell me how he hold this and he hold that and he have to trust people lunch and shop and when he get him pay, he have to pay you out. But any money he can come give you, can he always want money to borrow from me.
But Candy.
So me and him ever there in a problem.
But you know say we are some real idiot. Imagine
Who are we are idiot? Because he trick you and then he turn around and come trick me.
But I want look community, so how me never feel know. Not just up there say you live, mama. Oh, no. Me never. Oh, nobody not tell me this.
You know, so me left him though. So if you want him, you can take him. I wickedest man, I mean, no one do me. He ma go do you, and when you left him, he ma go do one next woman. So he go end up by himself.
You're right.
Woman,
one
stop
thing.
fight over man.
One thing you're right.
First.
We need to teach that dirty boy a lesson.
Yes, the two should have turned on and give him a good ass. Because I trick you. Because he want there with you, he trick me or he say pick me and suffer and he sorry for woman on road. What a wicked man. Did you know that I wash, cook and clean for Junior for 15 years going on to 16 years and every minute Junior broke all when him a work. Whether him a work or in a work, Junior always want money from me. He ever broke. So he take me money and give you.
So I too did the boy and him.
Yes.
Me wash, cook and clean for Junior. All the naughty head when have a me
and
wash.
The other day come home and come argue with me about say if me not washing clothes them. And me tell him say the machine broke down, me I go grow and my sister go wash it. Suppose the ear and go on. Suppose your ear out dirty Junior. Wait till me grow and see.
So I no machine in there so.
Oh, so you take me money buy machine give you too. Can't tell me oh you don't have nothing at all. And him a go help you and give you this and him a go give you that. And I must take care of the baby thing because the baby has suffered and he know a long time. You and him a friend.
Thank you, Miss Candy, but me take it from you, so. I'm just glad you bring back my daughter to me.
Okay, well, anything me have, me we give the child same way because I want a nice little girl and I love her. She's very nice, so. Bye, Layla. Bye. Love you. No. It was nice meeting you here. You have a nice mother. You're pretty like your mother, you know? Yes, bye-bye. Bye, baby. Alright.
Thank you so much again, because me never know said me mess up near go on.
You know, so you could have given me my number because I want me and you buck up Junior one at a time.
Yeah, man.
How we need to give him a good lashing. Outside that. Here you go, Layla. Here is your bag.
Come
bye, baby. Alright, Cherry.
Alright, see you.
Yeah.
Babes, which part the baby? And how you look so? How will me do?
And I'm asking which party baby they answer me.
Which baby? Which baby you come and ask me about? Your woman baby where you take from road and carry come give me and tell me, oh, pitney and suffer and me for other pitney. And me turn around and sorry for the pitney. Which baby? No. Talk it true now, Junior. God Almighty, I said it wicked.
Beers, where you get that foolishness from? Where you get the story from? Eh? Where you get the story from?
Junior, me here for 15 years ago to 16 years. And God Almighty, I saw you did evil. You could have poisoned me and killed me. What a wicked, heartless man like you.
Not say that, man. Not say that.
What?
Not say that. Not say that.
Junior, you is my enemy. Me lie down with my enemy and sleep in a bed. You is my enemy. We never there. We don't go there together, but we not there. Lie together, sleep together.
Right,
we are not together like this.
Let me tell
You're
you.
too wicked and evil and heartless and cruel. What kind of heart you have?
I can't explain.
Me no want hear nothing from you. You shouldn't have the heart for talk neither. You're too brave. I should have seen me draw from you only cross your face and just make you go to station and then lock me up and done. Because I can't believe I saw you stay. Junior, you're really there with Cherry and take Cherry daughter. And come tell me you see Pitney and suffer and you know girl and you and them a friend. And me where you sit down here so. The idiot, this are the fool where you have the ton idiot over 15 years. Take the people them Pitney about Pitney and suffer. And take your right. Wash clothes, comb baby ear, everything me do make sure say she not hungry.
Let me explain.
That time a girl where they deal with Pitney you can't come on me yard.
Let me explain. Me can explain.
You're too evil. Junior, me done with you. Me no want you no more. God no, me not go no further with this more than me know say me done with you. So you guess what? Me done with you. If Cherry want you, she can take you, but me not have nothing to do with you. Me cut you off clean.
So you're gonna make because this a little something here.
Little? God Almighty, then I want big for you. If you call big things small, what big for you? Junior said it, stay seat there, you can't talk. Wicked. You think you can friend me up all the while you trick me? All the days of my life, you trick me and make me end up in a general hospital. Now you want to turn me reckless. Look here, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to hear nothing about achu this a little something here. Me go say me and you left.
All right.
We never there from the beginning and me they think that say you did me man. We never there. You is not me man. You out a road, we are share. You live double life.
All right, so hear me go do. Me go. Yo.
Double life we are living now.
Yo, here what? Me go just left. Come back for me clothes.
Which clothes? What make you come and contract about clothes now? Which clothes? You little dirty nasty clothes them where the double life where you are live with me and Cherry. So when you go out that the woman the yard, in the clean clothes them when me wash, you go put with Cherry in a heat. And then me take it. Remember say the piece of old broke down machine, not working and me carry your dirty clothes them grown and my sister yard go wash it. And no me no go feed them so then run the panny line. Syrians who come down there, if you want them, go and go take them up off the line because I done with you. Me not take them up. And remember say if you not take it clothes pin them and borrow it from my sister because I didn't carry clothes pin them from around here. You're too evil man.
Me can't go say me sorry because you done there already and me done get the baby already. So me just call it a day. Me go down a Cherry. Look at me.
Because you done can't do it. Where you say, where you in the chat say about you can't get more picnic from me.
Why Candy? Your man wicked enough? He wicked man, me not tell no lie, boy wicked. The boy wicked, man for wicked but not so. He too bitter, him bitter like gall.
A long time you don't want about him. But you see true, me did love him. Me see some of my wickedness them way when they do. But me thinking that change. Me never know say one man can wicked so. You see if me did follow you from the beginning, this wouldn't happen. But true me I say me love. Me love. But the love of me love him and my sister. That no mean say me love Junior more than you. And he know that I make him the jealous so. I make him not like you. But thank God, you tell me, I find out, and I go down at the woman when he and Cherry, the little picnic mother. And she seems like she's a nice person. Yes. I wouldn't mind she did plan with me. And make me and him go bust Junior ass. Because Junior is a wicked. Double life him a live. Me not like that. And me not keep up with that no longer. Me take your advice and me learn from it. Junior is a wicked, but you see the next woman will take him up. If no other woman they will take him up, because Cherry tell me plain and straight, say him no want, she no want him no more. No more in her life. And me tell her, say me done with him too. So me no know what go happen.
So you really done with him for true?
Me done with him, me left him. Me left him for good now. Me no want him back.
After all way and him go through, me not tell if I left him, you know.
Well,
Because at least I Raj father, me not tell if I left him.
Look here.
But you must know every heart know their own sorrows. Because listen, me not tell if I left him. Me not tell you if I left him. You understand? Because it one who come from far. But when me I say, you see at the rate where him a go, remember me tell you, man, him too dangerous. Him too dangerous, you know. Because Cherry, we tell him, me know Cherry, no Cherry, are my friend. Cherry will tell you that she a left him and she no left him.
Well, me no give a damn.
Me only I tell you.
I don't care a foot if Cherry want to with him forever. Thank God she find out who Junior is. Because as me enter the door, you're Cherry to me. Oh, you're Junior sister. My daughter, and take the picnic long time.
So he feel say you and Junior sister.
How what Junior tell the girl say, me can't blame the girl.
Lord have
Can't
mercy,
blame
God.
her.
If lie was a person, that would have been
When they
Junior.
pack up for me head a lie, and they pack up the next woman head a lie.
Junior is a pathological liar. Let me tell you something. That's why I don't like me, you know. Because me always see him, you know. But you see, because me you love him, me not carry no news to you. Because look here, as me tell you, say, my mother always tell me, say, where I no see heart, no lip, and where you no know won't hurt you. So me, know you love him, and me try my best.
Top France, I love him now. Me not love Junior no more.
That's what you say.
Junior did a live one dishonest double life. And me done with him. Me cut him off like a scissors against cardboard. Me done with Junior. The only thing me want Junior to do right now is make sure say he sustain him child. He have in mind Raj. Me alone now mind no pick me and me alone get Raj.
Stop worrying about Junior. You have your life to live. You hear? You know some love you. And me there for you. Me there for you, you know. Me not have no way I go. Come on, make me care go.
Me not
Come
think
go buy your
about
lunch.
idiot. Me
Come
done
on,
with
make me
that.
go buy your lunch. Junior go along. Junior feel later.
Me done with him. Me done with him.
Come on, my sister. Come on.
Me done with him long time. Me cut him off. I going to find a new man in my life a long time.
Me
If a
nah
man
tell
did
you
a
for
look
them
me
that
and say,
sitting there.
don't
Me nah
take
tell-
Junior.
Me nah tell you for them that sitting there doing, you know. Because man a wicked, man a liar. Most of them, not all of them.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Donna Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donnettcampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook. Donnett Campbell is your realtor. Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So as we always I say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. See the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you are gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I said, I'm not talking about sick, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, same Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and there is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, he can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
Are you getting married, or do you know anyone getting married and need a professional wedding photographer or videographer? Feel free to contact us right now. We provide island-wide service. It simply means that if you're hearing the sound of my voice, you have watched the movie to the end. I'm going to want to say thank you guys very much. We realize that we kind of slow down in our posting because you know sometimes movies really take time and they really take a lot of effort to really create this content. But nonetheless, we still are trying to see if we can give you guys enough movies this month. You realize that we talk about a few things, like we talk about the real estate. If you're living in that area, check the lady out, check her out, call her. We have our information there. We also talk about Dr. Jack product. If you need it, make the link, we can make it happen. And we also talk about a handbag company. So we want to make sure say if you need quality handbag, the information is there, so make the link. As it pertains to what we want to do moving forward, we are in the process of trying to get everything together for work on some projects that we can take outside of YouTube. Like for example, we just got a brand new light. We got some hard drives for the camera. We got a lens. We still need more other stuff like audio equipment, but all that's still in the process of acquiring. So I want to say, I now call a name, but I want to thank that person. If you're watching the video, you know yourself. You have make a concerted effort to make sure say we get these equipments and you'll be working so we can get more. So I want to say thank you very much. You know yourself. Also, the persons them who have been watching and sharing and do all the good things, we want to say thank you very much. And if you want to contribute to what we do, make the link, Richard Brown Films on Instagram, and we can make the arrangement and you send a contribution towards what we do, because it really takes a lot to do what we are doing. You know what I said? We have whole heap of ideas, we have whole heap of movies that we want to push out, but it just all take what it takes. Alright, so and if persons who interested in acting, link me up, especially females. We need some new persons to be a part of the team to make the thing grow. You have realized that for quite some time we've been changing persons, and you don't know that that's what it takes. Sometimes we have to dig and dig until we find the right group of people who really want to stick around. Because let me tell you, no gonna come. We are gonna hit the big screen. And for the persons them who die, make a sacrifice and make the effort, you are gonna reap the benefit when it happens. So big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for showing all the love and support. Big up my son and him there behind the camera. So big up yourself.